I've seen it again many, many times this week. One of the biggest problems that businesses are struggling with can be summarized in this simple term: making work visible. We are drowned by emails and WhatsApps, all kinds of messages. We don't share it. The documents are saved somewhere on an email or somebody's local laptop. The three things we do that makes us struggle to work together and deliver value to our business and to our customers are messages, and that's emails, WhatsApps, Slack, all kinds of channels. We are drowned by messages. The second thing is meetings. Too many meetings taking too long and too difficult to sort what we've discussed, summarize it, and to put it in some sort of a project management or reminder system. And the third thing is looking for information. Somebody saved something somewhere. Where is that last template? Where is that email again? If we can solve those three things, too many messages, too many meetings and follow-up actions, and looking for information, we can probably solve 80% of our problems in business. Now, all of these things are fairly easy to fix with platforms like Microsoft, the 365 and the Copilot environment, and other applications as well. We are drowning in information. We are super busy. We are spending too much time on nonsense work, lower level, repetitive work. It is fairly easy to fix. I help customers every day doing that with great effect and with amazing return on investment. It is easy to fix. Allow me to help you. I can do that. It's sometimes AI. Most of the times it's not even nearly artificial intelligence. It's simply understanding your processes, understanding who is responsible for what, mapping out those processes and responsibility levels, not in some sort of theoretical, academical way, but to map technology to those tasks. You will be amazed how your business can perform if you do that right. Remove the so-called key man or key woman or key person dependence. Let work be visible to everyone. Let it not be hidden in emails and in meeting notes and in notepads and sticky notes. Technology, not even AI, allows us to do this. Allow me to help you. You will revolutionize your business if you follow the principles I have learned over the years.